Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and today we're making pasta al limone. This zingy, zesty pasta comes together in 15 minutes, which makes it the perfect weeknight meal. It's so refreshing and so lemony. So let's make it.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. Start by liberally salting a large pot of boiling water. Into the pot goes 225 grams, 8 ounces of long pasta.
This works best with a long pasta, so spaghetti, linguine, fettuccini, something that will drag through the sauce to help create that creaminess.
Zest 2 washed lemons. Give your lemons a roll on your cutting board. This will break up all the cells inside to make sure you get the most juice out of your lemon. Juice your lemons into a large sauté pan. I find the easiest way to do this if you haven't got a fancy juicer is just popping a fork in the center, then twist and squeeze. Pull out any of the lemon pips that might have fallen into the pan. To the juice, add 3/4 of your lemon zest. We'll reserve the rest for topping. Turn your stove on to high and let the juice start to bubble up.
You can add garlic while the lemon juice is simmering, but it's really not necessary. The lemon really shines through.
I like to give my pasta a little stir so that the noodles don't stick together. Once your lemon juice starts bubbling up, add in 3 tablespoons of butter and whisk. The butter will start to emulsify into the lemon juice, creating a creamy sauce.
You'll want to add the pasta straight from the water into the sauce while it's slightly more than al dente. Then add in some of that starchy pasta water to allow it to absorb into the pasta to cook it fully.
Add about 3 to 4 ladles of your pasta water to your sauté pan. As it reduces, the starches from the pasta water will thicken the sauce and it will cling to your pasta. Give your pasta a taste. Once it's al dente, slowly start adding in your parmigiano reggiano. I'm using 100 grams, 1 cup of finely grated cheese. Adding it slowly makes sure it really incorporates into the sauce and gets it nice and creamy. If you find your sauce is becoming a little bit too thick with the addition of the cheese, just add in another splash of the pasta water. Reserve a little bit of cheese to top your pasta. Once your sauce is nice and thick, crack in some freshly ground black pepper. One final toss in the pan and it's ready to serve up. Top with another crack of black pepper, some more parmigiano reggiano, and the last little bit of that lemon zest. All that's left to do is enjoy.
If you're looking for another quick and easy Italian pasta, check out my pasta carbonara here, and be sure to hit the subscribe button because I've got more videos coming every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.